Full body workout. Exercise 1. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Let's start our dumbbell cross body hammer curl forearms. It's a great way to warm up and get your heart rate going. Let's do this for 1 minute. Exercise 2. Next is exercise dumbbell bend over external rotation back. Bring your knees up high and keep your core tight to maximize calorie burn. Go for 45 seconds. Exercise 3. Moving on to dumbbell standing alternating cross raise chest. Keep your back flat and drive your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. Exercise 4. Now let's do dumbbell front raise shoulders. Maintain a steady pace and breathe deeply. If you like these workouts, please subscribe Fit Motion for more. Exercise 5. Now slow it down with some butt kicks cardio. Use this time to recover while keeping your body in motion. Do this for 1 minute.